Les presentamos a Charlie. Let me introduce you to Charlie. He is a Australian Labradoodle. Su raza es un Labradoodle australiano. So he has kind of like 3 mixes, I would say, 3 different breeds, and he looks amazing. Diría yo que son como 3 razas cruzadas y se ve muy hermoso. Me encanta su pelo. His hair feels so beautiful. I love it. And his color is amazing too. Y su color es preciosísimo también. So he came for a grooming today. He's a brand new customer. It's his first time with Sequi's Paws. Él vino para que le hiciéramos su aseo y su corte de pelo el día de hoy. Es la primera vez que viene a Sequi's Paws. So we are happy to have him. I know his owners really take care of him very well because I can tell by the condition of his coat. So that's great to see dogs that are very well maintained and kept. Sé que sus dueños lo cuidan muy bien porque puedo verlo en la condición de su pelo. Y eso es maravilloso, encontrar clientes que cuidan a sus perros y le ponen la atención que se necesita para mantenerlos saludables y limpios. So I just want you to know him. And these type of dogs don't shed as much. So these definitely are good dogs for people who have different type of allergies. So they mostly have like their hair consistency is kind of like almost the human hair. So therefore they make very good companions for people who have different type of allergies. Estos perros no sueltan mucho pelo o no sueltan pelo, casi. Y la composición de su pelo es más o menos comparada a la composición del pelo del ser humano. Entonces son perros ideales para personas que sufren diferentes tipos de alergias hacia los pelos o hacia los animales. So definitely these type of dogs, the doodles, when it comes down to doodles, poodles, what other ones? There are like different breeds that don't shed, and those are perfect companions for people that are allergic to animals or allergic to pets' hair, because they have a different type of hair and they don't shed as much. In the next video, I'm going to share with you the specific breeds that are hypoallergenic and that can help people, or not that can help people, but can be pets for people that suffer allergies. En el siguiente video les voy a compartir las diferentes razas que se les llaman hipoalergénicos y que son ideales para personas que sufren diferentes tipos de alergias hacia el pelo de los animales y que les gusta tener mascota. Entonces pueden tener una mascota de esas y a la vez no tener que sufrir las consecuencias de la alergia. So watch the next video so you can hear what are the best breeds for people with allergies. And so if you are a pet lover but you cannot stand the animal hair, definitely this will be for you in the next video. You will see it, but this one, Charlie himself, is one of them. He can be a perfect pet for somebody who has allergy to hair from animals. And we'll say goodbye for now.